In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alert rules Grafana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a reliable alert that watches your metrics and notifies the right people at the right time. Make sure you have access to your Grafana instance and the right permissions to manage alerting. Start by opening Grafana in your browser. Once you're in, look to the left side panel. This is your main navigation. Find and select the section called Alerts and IRM. This area brings together alerting and incident response, and it's where you'll build and manage all your alert rules. Next, click Alerting, then choose Manage Alert Rules. This opens the list of existing rules. To create a new one, click New Alert Rule. You'll land on the rule editor, which is organized into clear sections from top to bottom. Begin by entering a clear, descriptive rule name. Good names make troubleshooting and ownership easy. For example, by mentioning the service, metric, and condition the rule checks. Avoid vague labels so your team instantly understands what the alert represents. Now define the query and alert condition. Select the correct data source, write or select your query, and preview the results to ensure the metric looks right over the time frame you care about. Then set the alert condition. Choose how Grafana evaluates the query, such as a threshold comparison, and decide on any reducers or math needed to get a single value to test. Use the preview to confirm the condition flips as expected when the metric crosses your threshold. Add a folder and labels to keep things organized. Folders help group rules by team or system, and labels add searchable metadata like environment or service. If you don't have a suitable folder yet, create a new one so the rule lives in the right place from day one. Set the evaluation behavior. This includes how often Grafana runs the check, how long the condition must remain true before firing, and what to do when there's no data or an evaluation error. Choosing sensible intervals reduces noise while keeping alerts timely. Configure notifications by selecting the contact point you want to notify, such as your preferred channel or integration. Then customize the notification message, include key details like the rule name, the metric value, and links back to the dashboard or panel for quick triage. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new alert rule is now active and managed from the same alerting area. That's it. You've set a clear, organized, and actionable alert rule in Grafana.